Well, look what I just picked up. Another club car, golf cart. I believe this is considered a carryall because it has the big bed. Anyway, the motor does run, but it's going to need work. Very bad paint job. Oh well. It's got the controls on the side, which is kind of weird. Usually they're in the middle. And as you can see, the tailgate is really messed up. I'll have to unbolt that to fix that stuff. But for the engine, it's got to stay up here. It's the Kawasaki club car. It's missing the air filter housing, which is supposed to come over here to that thing. And there's obviously no battery because the guy kept that, but he was able to crank it up and I heard it run. I don't know if you can see, but down there on the clutch, well, let me get on the other side and I'll show you. Down there on the clutch pulley, it's broke, so I'm going to get a new clutch for it. I do have the secondary pulley. It's in the shop. He removed that when he took the belt off. And all the throttle linkage, that's not hooked up right. I'll have to redo that. Has a fuel gauge, which is not hooked up to the gas tank, but it does have a sending unit in it. Anyway, this will be a quick first look at a project that I'm going to be working on. Has a hitch, muffler, and all that stuff. It's in an aluminum bed. It's not going to rot. This is aluminum, but it's all bent up. Aluminum frame. The body up front is fiberglass, which is what all the club cars are. But anyway, there's a quick look at what I'm about to tear into. I got the clutch pulled off, and here's a better look at it. It's missing a big chunk off of the pulley, and also that bearing is pretty well shot. So this is pretty much junk. Here's the pulley for the starter generator thingy. Here's the secondary pulley. It's still in good shape, so I can reuse that. But I definitely need to get a new clutch for it. But that's okay, I'll find one. Well, as you can see, I just went ahead and removed the bed. It's going to be a lot easier to work on it without that in the way. Got all kinds of room to get around the engine and the clutch and everything else. It just had a couple brackets that were bolted here and here on the bed is where it swiveled. So it was pretty easy. It's aluminum, didn't weigh too much. But anyway, I got that much done, and now we can tear into the engine. And I took the back plate off of the, or the tailgate, I guess you should say. Got it straightened out. I'm just going to reattach it back onto there, and that should be good to go. Well, it's a good thing I'm checking this out pretty good. Watch that. both of them. All four of those mounting bolts are loose. I'm going to have to tighten them babies up before I try driving it. Oh look, more hacked up bodgery. This is a brake cable off of a bicycle. They've got zip ties. There's the correct end, which is broke off. Right there's the, this is one of them plastic adjusters, and that's just wrapped around down there. Good grief. Well, let's get that fixed correctly. Got the U-bolts tightened up. They're not wiggling around much anymore. Made a gasket for the exhaust because that was blown out, so that should be a little bit quieter. What else did I do? Oh, I made a bracket there for the throttle rod, because when you'd step on the brake, that was bending and it wasn't letting the throttle plate on the carburetor move very good. So now that's just a piece of angle iron with, I took a piece of wood. It's 2 pieces of wood. I drilled a hole right through the center that was just a little bit bigger than the rod. Bolted it on there, put some grease on, and now the rod stays straight and the throttle linkage works nice and smooth. I got another correct cable, not a brake cable from a bicycle, that is working. That's on there. Put a fuel filter on there. So I'm still waiting on getting a new clutch, and then I can put that on, which the old one, I think I've shown you. The old one here has got a big chunk missing out of it, so that's no good. Here's the secondary pulley. It's still good. It's going to go back on. Yeah, here's the bicycle brake cable that they was using as a throttle linkage. Whatever. Okay. All right. Well, as I get more stuff, I'll keep updating.